About a month or few weeks to election, ToTUC wanted to embark on a demonstration. Samobekaya.
Yeah.
Good. AY3ka Akuffo-Addo. I had an opportunity to sit in that meeting. Akuffo-Addo busa asembi mi renfida. I say 2017 me so afuna se mi swai. Ana me declare war on Galamsey. I have fought from day one. ABCCC. That was when I needed you to support me. So together we could fight this. Manyeda. Few weeks to elections. What's a mobile demonstration? Obusa assembly. Say mo ankasa mo tenasi busa mo ho a deal we is not lazy with politics.
All right, I was your for Yamisha Bibi. Aha, Ghana and Sem TV. You best share, say, move subscribe to the channel and move from my joint share about our comment section. Now, I'm shrine. I wish you Utie, Honorable AY3ka Akuffo-Addo P0sed. Warebe ho papa. We MPP near warebe ho papa. It seems like everything be a be ye come hano. Ye the politics a rim. We politicize every little thing be a be ye will come see. ToTUC, Trade Union Congress or whatever they call themselves. The idea of media yen and AY3ka Akuffo-Addo. In some of my camphor and AY3ka Akuffo-Addo, a brand and AY3ka Akuffo-Addo in the presidency. He put his presidency on the line to fight Galamsey, but these people sabotage, did a lot of propaganda against AY3ka Akuffo-Addo. Emma, the governance have a time for Ghanaians. Sorry, now I can't say AY3ka Akuffo-Addo. All because of politics, and I say power it be a pair. That same power now omu pena my yema be brenu and that speech some omu kind now and then obviously they are coming to criminalize it. That was sad. And my miss Sebumbre my yanko then got see Honorable AY3ka Akuffo-Addo in Sama Oka. Now won't here. You will be shocked.
Will not come home to roost. Now the reality is staring them in the faces. They use Boko to do campaign. And now MPs almost free Boko enclave. They cannot go home. They use Boko to do politics. Galamsey assembly are okay. And they are no man can find. Kasaya. You see, I will say something. Now, no maybe we hold on. Sometimes na se misha. Ayana Ghana, Ghana CBO. About a month or few weeks to election, ToTUC wanted to embark on a demonstration. Samobekaya.
Yeah.
Good. AY3ka Akuffo-Addo. I had an opportunity to sit in that meeting. Akuffo-Addo busa asembi mi renfida. I say 2017. Me so afuna se mi swai. Ana me declare war on Galamsey. I have fought from day one. ABCCC. That was when I needed you to support me. So together we could fight this. Manyeda. Few weeks to elections. What's a mobile demonstration? Obusa assembly. Say mo ankasa mo tenasi busa mo ho a deal we is not lazy with politics. Manye bida. Akuffo-Addo ka Galamsey samusa yenuanom hey. Eno no mo de politics. E wi ase no mo hihye nipa achi. Enne yete ho isi ase ya fight Galamsey. Yente NDC fo a omo jegira kwan wo mutu. Afa de Galamsey tuo no kra no. Se de ase ye with boldness.
Yeah.
Courage. Yetimi ye wo kwan ho nyina.
Kwan ho pe.
E bi school dan achi pe. E bi edwomo achi pe. Ane ye no. And we do it in the broad daylight. Nobody is given a hoot. The chickens have come home to to roost. LGBTQ. Sam George Antina, you say social media, it doesn't lie. Also, on the say, NDC, tomorrow, Naso Moba, Nasa President Mahama and Saya, he will campaign against him. He said it. It is there. You know, you're TB. LGBT is some more moke. Granted, so would the Akuffo-Addo Sabi be to one side, which is true, one side. And Kamuba power to really show to Ghanaians that indeed you wanted to sign, say, wo na otia konyamwa and kawobe sign. Indeed, you are keeping faith with the Ghanaian and can one say what open and can very first day manager Mahama and come sign. The very first day, I will reintroduce the issue of LGBTQ, and that's all. They will run away. They will run away. The almost mean you foot through on order. Asam no sabe other paper mimi be. Na e was so Emma introduce you omo. In fact, the very last person nani ding ewo sa paper no so MPO wo Nuruddin said Narugu. Yes, ono nani ding the last. Or not to me fire and I'm hey bro, you are fighting LGBTQ. Not yes, we have to fight it. I fed ye other paper samba biwa near year free. Ye year free other paper so. I didn't answer story.
How does it work? Before say an item be a
chap with us, no free. I'm saying no free burger. Very smart guy. Now you really no na omo yes omo kwa training ewo asuchare. Now normally I was so share with medical age everything, you know, to guide even the officers on what to do. But oh yeah no so beko. 3 days he came back dead. He came back dead. 3 days he came back dead. 3 days. Age bia ni bibia. Yeah, you. At the end, I near Castle football. You were under 20. You were under 17. You were under one. You were under one. So we are under 17. Nasa oko fa under 20 bar. Maza, Mekano crabby were horn mountain too. Mekani be horn more winter too. Almost said net mercy, almost says say omu age. Some mercy at 30. Almost says say football no boninano. Say or the
energy no the first ni ho
say what say ball no ba or now not say your friend is experience or high experience or the experience na say or the airboat game they are 17 18 bet me aye lama no be no want me be this time want me na they omo keka no are they telling me say Yenfa age no enkonanim na yen compromise the training na is the question I ask. Because obviously say age ne konanim na say okokofa obi a e wo so compromise training no because enipa no kofru dua me wo de me kotare de me fuaye wo de age no na say wo de me kosoja na de me kotare dua wo ti wa na me twa mate ahwe wu aso but what must say age bia ne de ye and the question I ask yama age no konanim na yen compromise training na the training regime of the Ghana Armed Forces because the age no kon anim dia I was here compromising age no kon anim I was here compromising na age no kon anim no so say do man sika e train you ma how long are they going to serve with the Ghana Armed Forces how long are they going to enti wan hwe yi a chese owuramu anu apie what country are we building and armed forces so many are soldier die no training no training pa the kind of training they go through very rigorous and anya say just uniform na and a show
to be room at age 35
oh
go through the ranks only peak no be about 45 50 no or is it
because so be a room as a recruit na say wo desire and we babisua sabe professionals need the doctors near there am so mo age no I think 30 or so wotimi a room asa wo ba be catch them say ana age dem konanim na say be age dem konanim na say compromising on training na they should tell us because it is not for nothing ana sebe omo enhyehyeye no ewo ho because how mo hyehyɛ na ɛwɔ hɔ no menua ɛnyɛ hyehyɛ only peculiar to Ghana because training na yibi wɔ hɔ no ma ye wɔ well standard ɛwɔ sɛ wunya sa standard no ɛnyɛ sɛ wo fiti ya wo so me say no. And to almost some review. I mean, they should really ask the relevant questions and sana or much appear. And yes, a BBA, yes, sorry, I near can be BBA. Debbie. Wouldn't it be can one two? And yes, sorry, I near can be BBA. And they should tell us, say, ye increase the age, you know, young compromising training regime of the Ghana Armed Forces and as a police. Ye increase the age, you know, ye increase the age in a sandy panel, or more joining Amina. How many years are number several? Yeah, in a no. Let me tell you something, and I find it very hypocritical. Just a couple of months ago, Dr. Bawumia was a demigod. Just a couple of months ago. Sani Panumi Omo contesting, all of them saw the good things in Dr. Bawumia. Just a couple of months. Yes, just a couple of months. Thank you very much. So what changed? What changed? Yakwa Batu, Yalusu. And when you be there. And suddenly Dr. Bawumia has become the biggest evil, the biggest Satan that we've ever seen on the face of the earth. I don't accept it. And yes, sir, me won't me a true anamonsa where ni no crama me. Pacha what must say? Where ni no crama me? Because just a couple of months ago, who can sempa at the chair me for papa no, afraid your papa na be bonsa. I don't believe it. I don't do that. Me yes, sir. And I tell you, a nipa num no mo bani nyina a fine gentleman. Sabe me bi at ye adwuma e wo national security. Me bi at na parliament, me bi at dadan baakum. I'm telling you, ya dadan baakum. Akuffo-Addo campaign ni ye Brian Champon, me ne no ne Martin James ay dadan baakum. Babu bodin e di akyerɛw. Sabe masane na at na parliament, me ne no wo committee so your friend is saying omo maka ken ye reducho you know mo nyina I atna parliament kwabna de maka chiro so emi busu ni enti sebe I have a fair idea they are all fine gentlemen omo ye MPP for but baby a yedri me gidie e kire me say Bawumia stands tall among all of them.